My name is Valeria Savchenko, and I am one of the developers of the BridgingRoots application. And I just want to show you what BridgingRoots is, what it does, and how it's being used at the Mongolic School for Language Revitalization. And I want you to note that my account type right now is a teacher. So first thing we're going to start off is the map. It is a map of Tuck, however it does extend to the entire world. And anyone can add points to this map, and teachers only can filter whose points they see by the classes that they've created. And some of the example points that the developers have added just to show how it can be used include 3D models shot by drone, images, text, and one can even add audio recordings if there's, say, a story relevant to the place on the map. And it's been populated since the release. And here's an example point. It includes a Novalicton and an image even. And I believe this is done by Teresa, the Novalicton teacher. And it's really cool to see this being used. Yeah. And the next thing I want to show you is the community dictionary. The idea behind this is to get everyone in the community involved in language revitalization and hopefully passing it on to their kids. And in this dictionary, you can add English, the phonetic, and Novalicton, the phonetic. I'll tell you who created it, when, just in case some kids are being silly. And for that reason, we've also added a teacher verification so that teachers can verify the entries. You can add images and the pronunciations as well, which is what differentiates us from other dictionaries that already exist. But here's an example of it being used in the school. We have some students creating the pronunciations.
Duk-du. Exabauta. Sick.
How cute. Yeah, and it's really nice to see it being used, honestly. The next thing I'll show you is the Choose Your Own Adventure stories. And this one was written by Miley Wolke, grade 11 student at the Mongolic School. And the images are actually done by grade 2 students from last year. And in this story, you can kind of choose what you do, as well as practice your Novalicton. So if you hover above some of the words that are highlighted, the Novalicton ones, you can translate them, and if you click on them, you can hear how to say it.
Oh, bloomy.
And yeah, I'll let you make your decisions in the game, and then you have a couple of quizzes throughout, just so you can practice what you've learned. And then we have crosswords. They can be created by teachers and students. And they're just the basic crossword, honestly. However, coding it was very hard, so if it doesn't come out correctly arranged, you can always reorder it. And matching games are great because not only do you have word matching in it, you also have the pronunciation within the words that you click.
No cute.
And that's another example of the students using the app. But you can also add images to match, or perhaps you can make a quiz with questions and answers that you match. You can get quite creative with these, but the powerful thing about matching games and crosswords and even the dictionary items in the map is that you can create them yourself. You don't have to have a point or a person to go to get these in the app, so teachers can create them in here. For the matching games, for example, you can upload an image for the cover, add any, if you want word or image matching, add your clues and answer, audio as well, and that's how you hear the kids pronouncing the words. Yeah, and it's just a fun little tool to make learning languages fun. Yeah, thank you for watching.